Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3, the 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. So the reason to unpair the watch is basically if you want to, for example, pair it with another device, or maybe you want to give it away to somebody or sell it to somebody, you basically need to disconnect it from your phone and your account. And to unpair the watch, you need to open the Health application, tap on device, and here you should see your Watch 3 on the list of devices, or rather on the device page. And then you can scroll down, tap on more, and here find the Unpair button at the bottom. Then tap on Unpair. And the watch will disappear from the device page. And then we can close the application. We can also check the Bluetooth settings just in case. So we can check the Bluetooth settings on our phone to check if the watch is still on the list of paired devices, but it's not, so we can close the settings. And as you can see, the watch is resetting itself to the factory default settings. So this will take a while. I'm just not gonna show it to you, but basically it will reset, and then you can pair it with different device if you want to. And that's how you unpair this watch with the Android or from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.